Recently, I was asked if you can adjust what text information is displayed under a thumbnail in Manage mode. And the answer to this question is a pretty uncomplicated yes. Under each thumbnail image, you will see the title of your file. Typically, unless you've sorted them differently, they will appear in alphabetical order. However, above each title line, we can add important metadata about this file to the preview window to display certain information we want to have access to. To do this, we need to click on the View dropdown in Manage mode. It's located above the thumbnails. Navigate to Choose Details. Choose Details will open a window that allows you to add new display information. You can add from 6 top-level categories, like AC/DC metadata, EXIF metadata, file properties, image attributes, IPTC metadata, and multimedia attributes. Each contain different content. For example, AC/DC metadata allows you to add keywords, people, labels, etc. EXIF allows you to add camera info like ISO and shutter speed, or you can add GPS coordinates like latitude and longitude. File properties allows you to add file creation date, file size, and modification date, among others. Image attributes allows you to add image height, width, file type, and orientation. IPTC allows you to add authorship and intellectual property information such as contact and copyright. And finally, multimedia attributes allows you to add information for audio and video files like frame rate, for example. I'll navigate to Image Attributes and add Image Dimensions. In File Properties, I'll add Size. And from AC/DC metadata, I'll add AI keywords. Once I've clicked on those boxes, I can use the Add button to add them to the currently displayed details. I can also adjust the lines that they're added to by using this column right here. I'll click OK. Once I've clicked OK, the lines are added. And I can repeat this process to add more or delete unwanted lines of text information. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.